What I like is this thing. Jesus called Peter, and Jesus never moved from the position. Peter was coming towards to Jesus and looking at him. And the Bible said, looking unto him, the author and the finisher. Looking unto him, the author and the finisher. If you study the foundation and the development of the child, a human being, there is a thing that says that you become what you continually or consistently look at. The minute you look at something every day, it grows into you. You begin to eat. Now, Peter was looking, and then he was walking freely, and he was becoming like Jesus for some few moments. But the minute he started to look at the storm started to affect him, and he started to sinking. The storm is telling him that you are going down. Jesus is telling him, you are coming to me. You are walking in grace. You are walking in glory. You are walking in power. The storm is saying, Peter, there is no way that you can walk on water. You are going down. But looking unto him, looking unto him, looking unto him. Now, it doesn't give us a choice, this verse that you opened. It said, without Christ, there is no life.